Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to write a program that converts the first letter of a string to uppercase, and we are going to use the capitalize function in Python. First of all, we are asking the user to enter a string, and whatever the user is going to enter is going to be stored in the text variable. Then, to capitalize the first letter of this string, we use the capitalize function. So I type down the name of my variable dot and then the capitalize function. So when I run this code, I mentioned, for example, Reza Shahin, and as you see, everything is in lowercase. And when I enter, it says Reza Shahin. So it returns me my own string, but R is now capitalized because initially it was not with uppercases. So if I type, for example, another name, this is Reza Shahin, and it is going to, you see that the T is now with uppercase while I entered with lowercase. So we can use the capitalize function in order to convert the first letter of a string to uppercase. Thank you for watching.